Dax, formula, measure, Mr. Mo, wait, they are all same. In Excel, it is Dax. In Power BI, it is called measure. All are the same. In mathematics, in school time, we call formula. So please don't be confused. They are all the same.
Dax, measure in Power BI. Dax, measure and formula are the same. So whenever I say Dax, it is formula and measure. Whenever I say measure, it is formula and Dax. Anyway, we are going to type or use Dax in Power BI. We told that we need to use Dax for OverRun. Okay, let's do it now. What is OverRun? It is always good to see OverRun in reports because it illuminates the future steps and we can comprehend how to handle the project. So let me give you an example. We have supposed to finish an activity with $500. We have started the work and finished it with $600. So the budget is $500 and actual is $600. If I subcontract actual from budget, it shows me a number. If it is positive number, it is overrun. Here it is 100. So 100 is positive number. So this activity is overrun and we are not doing well. Let me say the actual is 400. When I subcontract 400 from 500 as budget, we will get minus 100. So this is a negative number or less than 0 and it is underrun. It means we are doing very well and we paid less than budget to this activity or even overall. We know the logic now. Let's type it. Overrun Dax or measure. I say typing the Dax or type the measure. It is using Dax, but because we type the formula, I say typing Dax or typing measure here. What do we need for overrun? The budget and actual cost. An actual cost query. Right-click and new measure. Here it is a measure name. I change it to overrun. After equal, I type sum. Select actual cost and close the parentheses. Minus sum budget and close the parentheses. One is from actual cost query and the other is from plan cost query. Because we have linked them in model section, so they are gonna work smoothly together. Click on this OK icon. It is set up and under actual cost. Drag and drop it into this card. It is showing the number into parentheses. It means the actual number minus the budget is negative this number. So the result is the absolute value. If I select the overrun and change the actual costs and budget places, then press on this OK icon, you see it is not in parentheses because it is a positive number or it is more than 0, not less than. Now you know what I mean. Anyway, I change it to actual cost minus budget and press on OK icon. It is into the parentheses, so it is not overrun. I just want to see overruns. As you know, we said overrun is the minus number. Here, because it is in parentheses, it means it is minus, but it shows the absolute value. I will be confused like this, so I want to see just the overrun value. I mean when it is more than 0, when it is positive number, when it is not into the parentheses. In this way, I can add if function to the docs to show me just overrun value, not the underrun value. If function in docs. We can use Excel function in Power BI. What I'm going to use now. I want to use the function in measure of Power BI. I select overrun and in docs section, type if function before the first sum. We say if it is more than 0, if it is a positive number, show me the result. So it is overrun result. If it is less than and equal to 0, if it is less than 0, it is a negative number. Show me no overrun. Okay, as you see, after clicking on OK icon, no overrun is shown. Now we need physical percent complete and actual cost percent on this chart. Let's type them.